Welcome to our detailed comparison of the CORSAIR RM750X and MSI MAG A850GL power supplies. In today's video, we'll dive into the specifications, performance, and user feedback for both units. The CORSAIR RM750X is known for its reliability and quiet operation, while the MSI MAG A850GL boasts higher wattage and PCIe 5.0 compatibility. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of wattage, efficiency, and noise levels. The first category we will compare is wattage. The CORSAIR RM750X provides a solid 750 watts of power, which is suitable for most gaming systems. However, the MSI MAG A850GL offers a higher output of 850 watts, making it a better choice for high-end builds that require more power. This additional wattage can support more demanding components, ensuring stable performance even under heavy load. Both power supplies are certified with the 80 PLUS Gold rating, indicating high efficiency in power delivery. This means that both units waste less energy and produce less heat, which is essential for maintaining optimal performance and longevity. Users can expect reliable power delivery from both the CORSAIR RM750X and the MSI MAG A850GL, making them both excellent choices for energy-conscious consumers. When it comes to noise levels, the CORSAIR RM750X is praised for its quiet operation, especially with its 0 RPM mode, which allows the fan to remain off during low loads. In contrast, some users have reported that the MSI MAG A850GL can be more audible at idle, which may be a consideration for those seeking a silent build. Overall, if noise is a critical factor for you, the RM750X may have the edge. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM750X and MSI MAG A850GL are excellent power supplies with their own strengths. The RM750X is ideal for users looking for a reliable, quiet option for mid-range builds, while the MAA850GL is perfect for those needing higher wattage and future-proofing with PCIe 5.0 compatibility. Make sure to consider your specific needs when choosing between these two fantastic options. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.